tried to do this yesterday, but it didn't really work out. But I thought it would be fun to kind of just take you guys on a journey. Not a journey, it's just a day. Take you guys on a day in the life of me. Just a little background, I'm a social media and marketing director. Plus, I also assist other companies with social media marketing. Also a blogger. Hopefully returning blogger. But yeah, just during this time that we're in, a lot of us have been just less than productive, which is okay because we're in a global pandemic and the world is kind of ending. So, I mean, understandable. But I definitely think it's important for us to just get back to the swing of things and really use this time as effectively as we can and mentally can handle. So, yeah, let's do it. If you guys are interested, I shall be here and I will take you along the work day of Cat. But first, breakfast because I'm hungry. Alright, got my food. And we're lucky. Dad cooked for us today. But like, oh, that's a lot of food. We got some eggs, sausage, toast, and then some green tea. Alright, update on today. So, I just finished watching a tutorial. Hold on, I'm trying to bring it back up. I just finished a tutorial on YouTube, and it's called Mastering Logo Design in Adobe Illustrator, and it was really cool. If you're looking for just more tips and tricks to using Illustrator, I highly recommend, and I'll try to link it down below. So yeah, if you're a graphic designer or anything like that, highly suggest to just keep looking for different tutorials online. And yeah, all right, let's keep going. We're gonna have a productive day. We're doing good so far. Alrighty, so I don't know what my hair is doing. It's doing something. But ooh, shiny glasses. Hello, how are you? Okay. So we are around 1 o'clock and it's getting around lunchtime and the time when my grandma gets up. So I think it's time for me to make something to eat for all of us. And I don't want anything too heavy because breakfast was a little heavy, so I'm thinking maybe, pasta? Like a veggie pasta type situation? Do we like that? I think I'm gonna do it. Yeah, I'm gonna do it. Alright, so nothing too crazy. I went ahead and just made some pasta, added just a couple of spices with blush sauce, and threw in some just greens. And that one's mine. And that one's my dad's. Plating didn't go right with that one. But it's fine. I got this one for me. Hi guys, my hair has changed yet again. I think this is the third time I've changed my hair within this video, but that doesn't matter right now. I'm super excited because now I'm going to start a class that I just joined and it was free. I don't know if it's still going to be free by the time that I post this, or I don't know. But it's with the Shaw Academy and it is for a diploma in marketing. and I thought it'd be a really great opportunity for me to kind of hone in my skills and learn a bit more. And yeah, if you guys want to know how it is, I can do another video and just give you a little update, but yeah, let me know. I'm gonna be super excited. Got my nerd glasses on and got my little notebook. I'm ready to take notes. Well, excuse that. I'm ready to take notes. So yes, we're gonna learn stuff. Ooh, but I did want to note that, I did want to note that they scared the crap out of me this morning because I got a call from England, and I wasn't gonna answer because who I know in England, the answer is no one. And then I don't know, something just told me answer it, and I did. And I'm just thinking that I was gonna be like somebody like Mary from the carpet cleaning company. I receive those calls a lot. Mary, if you watch it, leave me alone. And then when I picked up, it was just like, hello, Caitlin. I lost my expletive. I was about to throw my phone, y'all. But all is well. They were just reminding me that my class starts today. And yes, very sweet. Thank you, Shaw Academy. But you scared me. Don't do that again, please. Now I'm gonna start. Class starts in 3 minutes and 30 seconds. So let's get studying.
Then we have and now we have automation system targeting and segmentation to send.
Alright, y'all. So just finished class 1, and overall it was pretty good. I have like 3 pages of notes filled with everything on what is it? Wow, I'm struggling. But everything from like key performance indicators, just basic overview on digital marketing and all that stuff. So far, yeah, I suggest it. So I'll leave a link down to the class that I'm taking, and if you're interested, maybe you might want to take it. I like it. So now it is time for dinner. I kind of want to make a risotto. I don't know how to make a risotto, but I feel like it would be fun. I don't know if y'all can hear that, but something going on. I'm gonna think about food now. Alright, y'all, I just finished having dinner. Made the risotto. Used the actual risotto pasta. Don't use rice. It's so could have been better, but it's fine. It's a learning experience. Everything's fine. Now I'm just gonna wash my face and then head off to bed. And yeah. You ain't about it.
What have I never not been about?
You know what hilarious thing about this? I'm shooting stuff for the whatchamacallit. For the video. Can I leave that in?
No.
Alrighty, so that was basically a day in the life of me, and yeah, I just wanted to talk about these pimple patches. I really like them. They really help just kind of calm things down. I'm looking over there because that's where my what is it called, my mirror is, vanity, whatever. Basically what they do is they're kind of pulling all of the layman's terms, they're pulling all the gunk out of your out of the pimple to the surface, and then when you wake up the next morning you just peel it off and all the icky stuff is there. So then you can just throw it out and things are much calmer, flatter, and yes. But yeah, so it is time for me to sleep. Well, I'm actually gonna watch a movie with my friends, possibly. I don't know, we'll see. But yeah, I'm super excited because while I'm in my like little productive kick and just trying to get my everything together, I went ahead and bought something that would really help me fulfill one of the goals that I've had for myself for a while, and it is this learning language, hiragana and katakana, a workbook for self-study. So I've really wanted to learn Japanese for quite some time. I can't lie, most of it had to do with anime. I grew up watching like Inuyasha and I don't know, just a whole bunch of different anime shows, and I eventually went to Japan one time, and it just reignited my desire to want to learn Japanese, and I think we're gonna do it. And we better do it because it wasn't that much actually, but I paid money for this, so we're not wasting money. I can tell you guys how this is in a later one. And also, I just wanted to talk about these pens because high-key, these are the best pens that you will ever write with. It's the Pilot G2 pen stylus. So it has the little stylus, as it says in the name, at the end, and the pen, it writes so What are you doing? Go, Sherry. My bad, Sherry, if you're watching. These write so beautifully, and the really cool thing about it is, and it amazed me, and it probably won't amaze you, but you know how when you're trying to open a pen, you just like click it right here. Oh wait, still no pen. Okay, let me twist it. I can't twist it. Still no pen. Guess how you open it. Do you know how long it took me to figure that out? I love these pens. You should get them. And yeah. So, I am gonna go get ready for movie night. And yeah, it has been fun. If you guys like these videos, let me know. But, words. If you guys like these videos or like this one, let me know. I've always just found them really calming and really just inspires me to kind of be more productive throughout my day. So yes, let me know in the comments below. Thumbs up, subscribe maybe if you want to hang out, and yes, I'd love to be friends. So